So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Bybit account. So to do this is pretty simple. So I have an unverified account right here. So you can enable your Face ID if you want to right here like it says, but our main topic is verifying your account. So all you have to do is actually go back to your homepage and press verify now. So here you can deposit and trade after you're verified, of course. So you'll have a fiat deposit of 20k USD and a daily crypto withdrawal of a million USDT. So you can verify now. So you want to select the location of where you live. So let's just say we live in Germany, and then from there you will have to do a ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. So it recommends ID cards. So if you have one of those, you can go ahead and snatch them. So it's gonna redirect you to your camera and take a picture of your ID. So let's say this is the one. So document is readable. Again, backside of your ID, of course, and then you will have to submit it. From there, you'll just have to wait for it to load, and then it will redirect you to put some information. So as you can see, detected there is no readable text. So once it has detected that, you will have to place your legal document numbers there, your residence number, email, and many much more. Once you have done that and submitted it, you'll have to take a selfie, of course, where they will verify your face within your card ID identification. And then there you go. You're going to be verified within 2 days of your registration. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.